It's easy to get a good audio recording, but hard to get a great one. Today I'll be discussing two major problems that might be holding your great audio back and showing you a super quick and easy fix. Welcome to Top Spec, I'm Aaron. Aside from the microphone that you're actually using, background noise and echo play a huge role in the quality of your audio. Professional sound studios typically soundproof the entire room with soft materials such as this foam panel. However, we obviously don't have the budget for that today. This is where sound isolation shields come in. They're designed to block out refracted sound waves that come from the walls back to the microphone, or essentially echo back. Additionally, they help to create a much more clean audio environment by blocking out background noise. So that being said, rather than paying upwards of $50 to $100 for these, why not build your own? After all, the majority of these products that you can find online are just a set of foam panels attached to some sort of tripod or box. So here's mine. All you'll need to build your own is any sort of box, some foam panels, and optionally felt for aesthetic reasons. When I built my own, I bought way too many foam panels, as you can see by the background, but I put a link to 6 in the description. Honestly, the hardest part of this project is just finding a box that fits. I repurposed an old Amazon box, but anything you use should work as long as you're willing to jank up the box a bit or cut the foam panels. Finally, you can make the project look a bit better by covering it in some felt that you have lying around or buying some at a craft store. This won't make the sound quality any better per se, but it'll make it look better. I literally used a stapler to fasten the felt to the box. Now that it's all together, let's give it a quick test. The acoustics in this area aren't the worst case scenario, but it'll give you an idea of how this project can help you out. First, here's the microphone outside of the isolation booth. It still has a pop filter on, but it's inside of a very large room. And here's the microphone inside of the isolation booth in the same room. It should sound significantly cleaner with minimal echo, but keep in mind that this is not the worst case scenario. Without, with. Let me know what you thought about the difference in the comments, and remember that you can make this project your own. After making my own isolation box, I actually covered this room and the remaining foam panels that I had to make a small impromptu recording studio for music and narration. That's all for this video, guys. If you found it helpful at all, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tech-related content.